Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way, you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so today we're going to be making stewed chicken with cannellini beans and carrots. I'm also going to be adding a whole hot pepper to this. Now this chicken I seasoned yesterday, so what I used to season my chicken was some green seasoning, some ginger garlic paste, some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb season blend, some salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some allspice, onion, and some spring onions as well. Okay, so this is my seasoned chicken here. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with putting our sugar in. What I'm using here is jaggery powder. This actually when you use the jaggery powder, you can actually smell the molasses in it. Okay guys, so I'm going to cover this to allow it to develop some color. Now guys, notice I have not added any liquid to this as yet, because this is not the point we want to add liquid. This is the browning process. There is a method where you don't even use sugar at all. You just use the oil and this process in order to brown your chicken. But I did put a little bit of sugar to get me started, but I'm going to be just using the liquid that is expelled from the chicken itself to provide the moisture as you see here. And it's only after this cooks down, then we're going to add, well in my case I will add chicken broth and also some water. But we don't add any liquid until this liquid that the chicken itself gives off dries up. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add in the beans, the carrots, the hot pepper, and the rest of the seasoning from the bowl that I had seasoned the chicken in, and some chicken stock. All right, I'm going to add a little extra water to this, and then I'm also going to add in this Knorr chicken stock cube as well. All right, so let's cover this and leave it to cook. Okay guys, so our stewed chicken with beans and carrots is now finished. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did remove the hot pepper already, and you can always put that at the side of your plate to eat it with your meal. All right, so don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.